When you hike, you get different groups, but we try to, the first group needs to slow down and wait for the other group, okay? So when you think the first group, if you're in the first group and you're getting too far ahead, slow down and wait for the group, okay? If you think you don't know where you're going, because that is the trail there, if you think you don't know where you're going, stop and come back, or wait, okay? And stay on the trail, and I'm here, that is here. Any problem, let me know. Any problem, let me know, okay? All right, thank you. So let's go.
Pick me up.